Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the agriculture extension questions, some of the PYQ questions in the rapid revision series through PYQs. So it's a very effective session on how you will understand how to write an answer. Okay. And also you'll get some points on how to differentiate things and in a quick manner. Okay. It will not be more than 6 to 7 minutes. So what is the difference? SHG and FPO are very important. Even for GS3 in syllabus is there, and even in our agriculture optional syllabus it is there. So what is SHG? See, when they have asked about SHG and FPO, try to know the major objective-based differences between them and write. For example, if you look at the definition, what it is a community-based organization consisting of a small number of people, usually 10 to 20 people, who are from socio-economically similar background, and it is voluntary in nature. So this is the basis for SHG. But once it comes to FPOs are collectively organization by the farmers with the objective of improving their bargaining power, maybe in terms of inputs or in terms of services, and also for marketing and selling their produce. For all these things, they can use this. But in case of SHG, it is for socioeconomic background who are from a similar socioeconomic background. They join together and form. This is on a smaller scale, but this can be in a bigger scale, like FPOs, FPCs, companies. They're all at a larger scale. Okay. Next is like if you look at the how they are formed. Okay. SHGs are typically formed at the grassroots level, means at the village level they are formed. Okay. And they are supported by NGOs or government agencies and bank which help them. Usually women are there. Okay. Like states like you should remember where it is very predominant, like Odisha, even Tamil Nadu, Kerala, all these places it is very predominant. SHGs are really powerful there. It means it has gone to the grassroots in that manner. But if you look in the FPOs, it is like a legal structure is there. It can be registered as a cooperative, okay, farmer producer organization, or as a company. Then it is called FPC, farmer producer company, okay, or any other legal entity or a society. It depends on that. Okay, so the primary objective of any farmer producer organization is that to improve the socioeconomic status of their members by promoting collective action, sharing knowledge, resources. Okay, so in the similar way, we need to bring all the resources together. The farmers will combine together, and government will also support them. Okay, but here, if you look at the objectives, it is similar. That major is to encourage thrift, saving, and microcredit among the members. Okay, but this is like a company, like okay, farmer producer organization. The profitability and all these things are considered, but it is run by farmers. Okay, not by big business agents, maybe like Reliance or this. They will not come here, but uh, that is the advantage of being in farmer producer organization. But if you look at the self-help groups, it is by poor women or people or from same economic background. They come together for what? They save their money, okay, thrift, and also for microcredit among the members. Okay, they pool their resources and they generate income. So small organization out to 10 to 20 has also grown. Like if you see the example of Kudumbashri. Okay, this is in Kerala, SHG. It has now over lakhs of people working there. It is one of the biggest in SHGs in India. Okay, Kudumbashri. You should remember some examples also. And next, like group dynamics, what is it based on? Like it is based on mutual trust, cooperation, solidarity among members. If you remember 2023, if you look at the prelims paper, we also have a question on SHGs and similar option is given. Okay, so these are all integrated. It's very important even for your, uh, sorry, it was not GS3, in GS2 it is there. No? Okay. And next is microfinance is the very important basis of any SHG. That's why we have NABARD, okay, bank linkage program. Okay, so these are all providing very good initiatives for the SHGs to develop and thrive. Okay. So what happens, like if they provide this microfinance, it will help them. Okay, they can establish some small organizations. Okay, these funds are used to provide small loans to members of various purposes, such as agriculture, livestock, or setting up small businesses at their home yard. Okay, so also we have another good example like Guru Krupa. It is the SHG for mangoes, wherein the women and the people of that area are able to market mangoes through this SHG. Okay, like it is a best case study also. So the final impact when we look at is that it helps to elevate poverty, women empowerment, and socio-economic development. So these are the basis. Okay, there are government schemes also, like I told you about the NABARD scheme. Okay, so these schemes also help women to thrive. Okay, and also NRLM. Okay, here also we have initiatives to promote SHGs. And when we come to this FPOs, they try to provide the market linkages. Okay, means what they do, direct linkage with market, bypassing intermediary. What happens? All the middlemen will take the huge chunk of the profit. So they will. So here are the farmers. Here are the customers. These middlemen will act as a chunk. So what we are doing here is that directly we are connecting farmers to the customers through FPOs. Okay. And also, what are the other advantages of FPOs? Because this question is asked in the next also, like differentiate cooperatives and FPOs. Okay, so it is very important. So what it is like access to inputs and services, like they can provide agriculture inputs, credit extension service, etc. And also they have an advantage of providing capacity building. Also, okay, like FPOs are provided training and capacity to their various members with respect to many other factors, like if you want to do value addition, you want to do marketing, etc. Okay, and in case of advocacy, they advocate farmers' interests and lobby for the favorable price at the local or regional places. Okay, they act like a pressure group also, and they have government support because government tries to incentivize them to promote them, and also it increases their collective bargaining power. Okay, and they become sustainable in long run. Okay, because here we are giving more benefit to the farmers and decreasing the role of middlemen. So how to write a conclusion here, like this is a little bit bigger conclusion, but from this you can make some smaller ones. Like for example, in conclusion, it can be said that SHG and FPOs are community-based collective initiatives that aim to improve the socio-economic condition of their members. Okay, but mainly if you look at the SHGs, they primarily focus on inclusion of empowerment of women through microfinance. FPOs try to enhance farmers' livelihood through collective action, market linkage, and capacity building. Okay, as I told you earlier, it is like SHGs are primarily for these things, and the FPOs are for the little bit and larger cause. Okay, this totally it will lead to an rural empowerment that is required for any society. Okay, and we have many examples also. Like remember the Parivartan Organic, it is an FPC. Okay, in Maharashtra, which is thriving hard to promote organic farming, and organic products are produced and exported. So this is the basis. Okay, so if you want to listen more sessions, you can look at the rapid revision series. Okay.